Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this emergency crank radio that my dad bought recently for emergencies, which is also a power bank. It delivers weather alerts, has an LED flashlight, it has an AM/FM radio, hence the name radio, and it also has a battery included. So this is what it says at the top, just the same function of the Midland logo on it, which this brand is. Right here is a photo of two people using it. And right here is also includes the functions, which it also includes the NOAA weather alert radio, LED flashlight with high power SOS strobes, AM/FM radio with clock, rechargeable 2600 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. In the box is the ER40 radio, the rechargeable battery, micro USB charging cable with a lanyard in the owner's manual. This also has a solar panel and hand crank, and this also has USB charging for power. So now let's go in here. It just gives the company details. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have no clue how much this costs, so I can't imagine it costs that much. I'll have it listed in the description if there's an online listing for it. Alright, so right here you get your manual, which we do not need, or at least for operating this so far, because this looks pretty easy to operate. We have some plastic, and then at the bottom we have just our micro USB charging cable, which we can go ahead and set aside since this is a very basic cable. Nothing really special. Right here we have a bunch of wraps. That one is for the battery tab. We also have wrap for the solar panel. And some wrap here for the clock that shows a display, a tiny display on this. Stamp micro USB. Or anywhere on it. Yes, it does. Looks like it also takes I get this open. Hang on, I'll go ahead and get this open and then I'll get back to you. This looks like the battery taken out, just to give you a little overview. So if the battery does degrade on this, you can replace it. And my dad got this for local weather alerts. So right here, as you can tell, it does have the time. There's some more plastic on there I forgot to get. So right here you have your power button, which apparently also raises the display brightness, the volume, the tune button, and then the WX menu button. Right here you have a button to trigger the flashlight, which is that's pretty powerful. Also has a flashing mode too. Right here you get your radio, which unfortunately I can't test in this video because for copyright reasons. I'll have to change the time on it at some point. Right here you get your, what looks, I don't know what this is. I know this is USB-A port and this is micro USB or USB type B. Oh no, this is a headphone jack. Looks a little strange for a headphone jack, but it's a headphone jack. That's cool, and it has protective doors. And right here you get your hand crank. How do you pull this out? Yeah, awesome. It just pulls out like this. There we go. Still think it's probably better to charge this up regularly though. And yeah, that is overall the basic functions of this radio / power bank / flashlight. As always, I hope you all enjoy this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.